Welcome to Integrated Electronics. Today we are introducing the Noritake GTSP series, a family of GUI-controlled, low-code LCD touchscreen modules designed for seamless integration and intuitive development. Featuring powerful built-in UI tools, these modules eliminate heavy loads on your host controller. The standout feature is its superior touch performance, equipped with a high-sensitivity capacitive touch panel that works flawlessly even through gloves, covers, or in wet environments. Let's take a look at the 7-inch module in action. The demonstration menu provides an interactive look at the screen's UI capabilities. Navigating into Demo 1, we get a first-hand look at the module's highly tactile and responsive interface layout. As the user interacts with the screen, the capacitive touch panel delivers smooth, near-zero latency responses across a variety of standard GUI elements. We can see a classic push button, an interactive checkbox, a spinning rotary dial selector, and a pop-up window trigger that brings up an instantaneous alert message box. Moving on to Demo 2, the module showcases its full on-screen keyboard input capabilities, transforming the display into an efficient data entry terminal. For numeric entries, it seamlessly switches to a clean, dedicated 10-keypad interface for rapid number logging. Additionally, this screen demonstrates real-world control features, Auto Mode and Eco Mode. Each selection provides immediate feedback via color-shifting status lights that confirm the system's state. The Spec tab provides a live breakdown of the hardware, confirming the 7-inch, 800 by 480 pixel display operates with an impressive 850 candelas per square meter of luminance. Experience effortless UI creation with the Noritake GTSP series.